Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Gusto to produce 1099s correctly for contractors step by step clearly. Begin by logging in to your Gusto account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the People tab on the left sidebar. In the People section, find and click on the name of the contractor for whom you want to produce a 1099. Scroll down to the Documents section on their profile page. Here, you will see an option labeled Tax Documents. Click on Tax Documents to access the relevant forms for your contractor. Next, look for the 1099 option within the Tax Documents section. Select the 1099 option to begin the process of generating the form. Ensure that all the contractor's information is accurate and up to date. Double-check their tax ID number, address, and payment amounts. If any information is incorrect, edit it directly in the contractor's profile. Once everything is confirmed, proceed to the next step by clicking on Create 1099. Gusto will then generate a draft of the 1099 form. Review the draft carefully for any discrepancies. If everything looks correct, click on Finalize 1099 to complete the process. You will then have the option to e-file the 1099 directly through Gusto. Select the e-file option to ensure timely submission to the IRS. If you prefer to send a printed version, you can download the finalized 1099 form. Print the form and distribute it to your contractor by the required deadline. Keep a copy of the 1099 for your records in case you need it for future reference. After completing these steps, your contractor should now be connected to Gusto for 1099 processing. This streamlined process will help ensure compliance and accuracy for your contractor's tax reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.